Hi everyone who is watching this video. This time I want to speak about restraint system fault, which is very well known those who is driving BMW E-Series. This fault shows up in cases when you disturb a restraint system during your maintenance. Very common example is when ignition is turned on with one of disconnected airbags, the fault caution hits the dashboard screen. Other reason is your passenger seat scales. The malfunction of this scales gives you this message. These scales is for the system to know is somebody sitting on seat. In case of crash, system activates airbags. The one of most common causes is when the battery power is removed. Even in cases when you leave your ignition on for too long, the IBS system disconnects your battery to save it from full draining. And that's what happened to me this time. I left my keys in for all day. Lucky after that I was able to start my car after that, but got restraint system fault message. Same evening I connected my Diagnostics to clear the fault. This time I used my old INPA DCAN cable and INPA software. Depending on your car model, the menu can variate. Function location can be different and function names can also slightly differ. The BMW which I am working this time is pre-facelift E60 diesel sedan. To find airbag menu, in main left menu select body function and on right menu select airbag ACSM. On new window first click error button and then read EM. And there, as you can see, is one fault about our dashboard message. In my case I tried to clear errors. But after refresh the fault comes back. And there I gonna show you the reason. 93B2 fault code lights up airbag restraint system light, which is caused by BST battery safety terminal. This sensor is placed on battery positive terminal. In case of car crash, this sensor initiates disconnection of your battery from system. Arrow shows the part which in case of a big car crash blows and mechanically disconnects then terminal. You can find many info on the internet how it looks after activation. In my case I had no car accident and nothing mechanically damaged this part, so I just need to reset the system and delete the fault. So I disconnected BST terminal sensor wire and turned the ignition on and off. As you can see, nothing has changed, the fault remains, what is obvious because sensor is disconnected. I also checked for new codes, but there is only the same one. Then I connected sensor wire back and tried to delete the fault again. As you can see, the fault now is able to be deleted. After ignition turn off and on again, the fault disappears from dashboard.